stronger bones. When you work out, it's not just your muscles that grow stronger. Your bones also benefit from weight-bearing exercise. Milk. Milk is an excellent source of vitamins and nutrients. They work together to build strong bones. 1 cup of milk provides 30% of your daily recommended amount of calcium and 25% of vitamin D. Add milk to your morning smoothie or daily protein shake. You can even drink chocolate milk post-workout to boost muscle recovery. Sardines. Fish with small, edible bones, like sardines and canned salmon, provide a stellar source of calcium and even some vitamin D. Sardines come with an added bonus of providing heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. 2. Top your favorite bed of greens with canned sardines or salmon. Calcium sulfate can provide about 15% of your daily recommended amount of calcium. The amount of calcium can vary between brands, so read the nutrition facts panel before purchasing. Use silken tofu in smoothies or extra firm for a quick weeknight stir-fry with vegetables. Almonds. Magnesium plays a role in building up firm, healthy bones. Nuts, like almonds, are an excellent source of magnesium with 1 ounce, about 23 almonds, providing 19% of the daily recommended amount. Almonds also provide calcium, roughly 7% of the daily recommendation. Fortified 100% juice. If you're not a huge milk drinker, you can get a healthy dose of calcium and vitamin D through fortified juices like orange, grapefruit, and pineapple juice. Read the label to make sure you're getting 100% juice, and, for more bang for your buck, make sure both calcium and vitamin D are added. Juice can be part of a healthy eating plan and help you get the daily recommended fruit servings per day. Just limit portions to 1 cup per day. Six breakfast cereals. Many breakfast cereals are fortified with calcium and vitamin D, which work together to keep your bones strong. Make sure to read the label to be sure your cereal contains these important nutrients. Enjoy a bowl of cereal with milk, Greek yogurt, or cottage cheese to pump up your calcium and vitamin D intake. Tomatoes. potassium can benefit bone health. Tomatoes, fresh or canned, are a top source of potassium. 1 cup of cherry tomatoes provides 10% of the daily recommended amount of potassium. Add fresh tomatoes to an omelet, use tomato sauce in chili, or enjoy a spicy tomato salsa over fish or chicken. Cottage cheese. One of the most underappreciated dairy foods is cottage cheese. 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese provides 14% of the daily recommended amount of calcium. It also contains a whopping 28 grams of protein to help build strong muscles. Enjoy cottage cheese topped with